More news coming in. This is a tragic development we're reporting on where 3 people have died in a building crash in Virar in Maharashtra. This story is from Palghar, where buildings crashed due to heavy rains in the state. 8 to 10 people are feared trapped under the debris. Horrific details emerging at this point in time where a building has collapsed. It's in fact our visuals coming in from Virar. Rescue operations are underway. 3 people have been killed. About 9 to 10 people have been injured. This near the Narangi Fata in Virar, adjacent to Mumbai city. Currently, 10 people are trapped. Rescue operation is still underway as we speak. Extreme weather conditions that are being seen here, and that's the reason that is being attributed for the collapse of this dilapidated building in Virar. Story we're reporting on is from the Palghar district, where building is crashed due to heavy rains. 3 people have been killed. At least 10 people are feared trapped under the debris. Rescue operations are underway. Pictures are from Virar in Maharashtra, where a building has come down. We'll be going across to my colleagues for more details in a second from now. But these are details at this point in time, where 3 people have been killed, 9 injured, after a 4-story building came crashing down in Virar, near Mumbai city. Rescue operations continue to be underway in this particular area. In fact, there are several people who've been pulled out of the debris, have been admitted to different hospitals in Virar and Nala Sopara is what we know.
2 minute,
Mustafa is live with us at this point in time. Mustafa, this was an old dilapidated building, I understand. What is the municipal corporation saying about what could have gone wrong? How did this building come crashing down here, killing 3 people?
Well, yes, these are Ramabai
Yes.
apartment which you're talking about in Virar East. It's the Palghar district near Mumbai. And what we hear is that there were people present last night when this incident took place. A birthday party was planned. When this incident took place, there were around 15 people who were, inside the debris when the collapse happened in one of the houses. It's a 4-floor, 2-wing building. One of the wings, this incident has taken place, and the injured people have been admitted to different hospitals. The municipal corporation in Virar and Vasai is looking into the structure, and because generally before the monsoon, such dilapidated structures are asked to be vacated or they are taken up for repairs. Why it didn't happen in this case is something which the investigation for which is ongoing. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa Sheikh getting in those details. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment.